Hi everyone, today we're going to make glue. So what you need is bowl, water, salt and sugar, and don't forget the flour. Okay, so for sure we're not going to forget the spoon. So let's get started. First step is get 3 teaspoons of flour, like that. This is 1, 2, and yep, 3. This is the third one. Okay, now let me take 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar, like that. Look at me, I'm doing that. Yuppie. Yeah. Then mix them. Before pouring the water, you need to mix them really well. Okay, then after mixing them, like that, mix. After mixing them, you're going to pour some water, like that. Yeah. And then mix. So I mixed it like that, and it's and it looks really good and amazing. So you should actually try that at your house. And if you don't have glue in your house, you can try it. So you can put it in any kind of container that you like. So I'm going to put it in my container. So if you have mini cups or anything, you can put it. So I put my glue in this container, and you can get a paper so we can put it on the paper and try it together. Okay, so I get my paintbrush. You can use a paintbrush or you can use your spoon. Okay, so I'm going to put it on my paper, and it looks amazing. So you should actually try that at your house, like that. So now I'm going to fold my paper to see if it glues or no. Oh, and look, it actually it glues. So this is amazing. So don't forget to try that at your house. If you don't have glue, anytime that you don't have glue, you should try that. If you're doing crafts or something like that. So don't forget to like and share and subscribe to be the first to watch videos like that and like those lovely crafts. So see you in the next video. Bye.